Apologies first for having taken time out to set up this stage, but I want it to be really interesting. The project that I am working on is the second project from the Speeches by Management Manual, which is part of my Advanced Communicator Silver level of communication workshops. The setup here is of a boardroom. This is a boardroom. This is a board table. Imagine chairs all around this. You have to imagine for it to sink in and for you to actually evaluate what goes on here. This is a boardroom belonging to Lovely and Slurpee Ice Cream Company. It's L&S Ice Creams. The CEO of that company is going to be here, a gentleman by the name of Naveen Mishra, and he's going to do the annual appraisal for a very important man in his function, the regional manager. This company has, over a period of the last 1 year, expanded its base all across Bengal and various different locations of India. But the man who's going to be here as the appraisee is going to be the regional manager for Bengal zone. As a background, in the Bengal zone and around Bengal, they have set up in the last financial year, which is now coming to an end, 11-12, a total of 20 outlets. L&S does not own a single outlet. It always does a franchisee model of business. So the regional manager plays a very important role in liaisoning and seeing that more franchisees come up and take the business. These outlets hover around the hub of activity in India now called the malls. So he has to have a good knowledge of mall management and do a lot of tie-ups, building relationship with the malls. He also has a lot of work to do as far as training is concerned for those franchisees who have invested money but they have very little knowledge about the business. Alright? So this is where this role play starts. When we take center stage for the timer with the permission of the president, is the moment when I make my first verbal or non-verbal gesture. Right? Thank you. We are ready now and I will roll it out. Hello, Kunal.
Hello.
Hey, Kunal, are you free currently?
Yes, I am.
Oh, good. Why don't you drop into the boardroom?
Okay, I'll just...
Let's have a little chit chat.
So,
Hey,
come in.
Kunal, come.
It's very nice to meet you, sir.
Nice seeing you around. How are things been with you? Have a seat, have a seat. Kunal,
Yes, sir.
we're in that part of the year where we need to sit each other's across the table and do a lot of criticism.
Oh, fantastic.
No. I sincerely believe, Kunal, that life takes a full circle over a period of time because that's where I sat once a long time back. And maybe tomorrow, I see this young gentleman sitting in the chair which I am occupying now. Kunal, it's been 1 full year since you've been with us as the regional head for the Bengal and the Greater Bengal Circle. 20 outlets, each doing an average of 2.5 lakhs of business, running into almost 500 crore of money for us. You've been doing a good job.
Thank you so much.
Kunal, if I were to just ask you that in this last 12 months of business and an industry which you had, I remember having told me is going to be very challenging for you, what are the important aspects that you see?
Well, so one of the really good moves which we've made is that we've expanded into malls and we've increased our tie-up with them.
Yeah.
Up till last year, we had presence only remotely and association with the malls in a very remote manner,
Yeah.
typically through Spencer's,
Yeah,
where we
sure.
have.
Yeah.
The great thing this year that we've been tying up with a lot of the new malls which are coming up, and so we've got a lot of more counters poised to start up in this coming year. So the mall types is one great thing that we've accomplished. I think credit for that must go to us attending the East India Retail Summit and other such summits where we get to associate with these people. The other really positive thing is the start of our software integration is taking a lot of load off our backs.
Yes, of course.
a lot of manpower and time has been saved. So that's, I think, been a fantastic initiative. There are a few places to improve, but all in all, I think tremendous. We've been offering a lot of support. This is the year where our brand has expanded more nationwide.
Absolutely.
So, with full credit to you, sir. We've been trying to work with the Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad teams as well to help them sort out their small-time issues, because I understand that the managers there are relatively new, and they have been calling me quite often, which is understandable, and I think they've been doing a great job.
Good. Kunal, let me tell you, when you say this you, because of you is incomplete without a total view. And when it's a total view, it's people in the team which make a lot of difference. Kunal, what you rightly said, Spencer's has been doing a lot of business for us, but what I've seen over a period of time is that 11 out of the 12 outlets that you have been working with have come up independently with malls. So they're not into a major multi-brand retail. They are occupying space within the mall,
Yes.
but advantageous space. Kunal, couple of things which I was looking at. When you do a franchisee model, you have a lot of control on certain aspects. For example, training the people who come on board, stocks which flow in, systems which make stocks and cash tills operational, branding, marketing. These are aspects where a young energetic gentleman like you can do wonders. And that's where I trust that the coming year, 12-13 for us, is going to be, as they say, a game-changing year.
Hopefully, sir.
Definitely. Kunal, a couple of things that come to mind. There have been some issues with franchises, as you've been noticing, regarding the manpower management.
Correct.
The timings that they're maintaining in the mall. Say a mall opens at 11 o'clock, but our stores somehow tend to open at 11:30 or maybe at 12. Those are certain areas where I'm sure, with your expertise, you need to tighten the screws.
Definitely, sir. We will be working on it.
That's one very important area. Secondly, Kunal, these kids who stand behind the counter, they have a very important role, because see, at the one hand, they face the customers. The other end, they've got a whole lot of stocks, and they are young. So there's a lot of other games that they are internally playing and chit-chatting. Couple of things which I want you to focus on, Kunal, is the overall grooming of these kids. Right? The kind of clothes that they wear. We've given them uniforms. We've made it very important that they wear them. But you know how it works in food industry? See that they're always wearing an apron and they're wearing a chef's hat. I've seen some counters, Kunal, where they're not doing that.
I know, sir. I'm very well aware of those counters, and we've been trying to work with those boys. I'll get extra on it. I think the second round of training is definitely required. We explain to these boys the importance of sticking to the uniform.
I'm sure. Because you know how it works is that if you drop a hair into an ice cream and then you have your girlfriend, how's she doing, by the way?
Oh, fantastic.
Okay. So, give my regards to Onesha and say that I was remembering her. If you drop it into a pot of ice cream and somebody has a bite into it, it leaves a very bad impression about the brand LNS.
Absolutely.
And that's something we need to be very cautious about. Lastly, I have been walking around stores, the ones in Siliguri and Durgapur. Are there any major factory problems that you're facing, Kunal? Because I see some of these stocks not being present. We've just launched the raspberry flavor. I was at Siliguri the other day and I checked as a customer, they did not recognize me. They said, no, we are not aware.
This has been a problem, and I think shifting to the software will really help us follow up and identify, because up to now, sir, as you very well know, we've been working on an Excel-based platform. So being able to actually accurately check exactly which stocks are running out on a live basis has been a problem. Because typically the franchises have been keeping a couple of days delay.
Great. I suggest one more thing. Speak to our senior general manager, Mr. Anuvrat Kabrai, and tell him that he needs to do a little rejig of some of the machinery that we have around.
Okay.
He needs to, maybe you can come back to me and we need to invest some more money. Let's do that. Because if you have a young energetic man like you, who's really driving the horses, then we need to pump in more adrenaline.
Absolutely.
Right? And for you now, if I were just to enunciate, the focus is going to be on manpower training. That's your agenda number one.
Okay.
Cleanliness and grooming standards, where I love to introduce a mantra called meet, greet, smile and convert.
to
all concerned, and lastly, let the company rise and shine.
absolutely, sir.
Right? All the best to you. And here's a small little gift from my end, saying give it to your girlfriend.
Thank you so
You
much.
take it. Bye. Thank you so much. Over to the Master of Ceremonies.